Now welcome back student on this session. In this session now the next topic of chapter 2 that is nothing but the subtraction of binary numbers. We already studied addition of binary numbers, complements of binary numbers. Now in this session we are going to learn the subtraction of binary numbers. How we can perform the subtraction of binary numbers. See, the subtraction operation in the binary number system is a quite unique and it's a very different. See, what we have to do in this subtraction means we are not directly add the we are not directly subtract the first and second number. For that purpose what we have to do, we have to find out the complement of second binary number and then we will add that equation to the first equation. That is called the subtraction of complement method. That is called subtraction of complement method or subtraction of binary numbers. While doing the subtraction of binary numbers, there are two types of method. That is ones complement and twos complement method. We can do the subtraction by ones complement method and twos complement method. See, first we start from the ones complement method of binary subtraction of ones complement method. Let us start. There are 6 steps. There are 6 steps and 6 rules that we have to follow while calculating the subtraction of ones complement method. See, step first, take 2 binary equivalent numbers. We have to do the subtraction. For that purpose we have to take 2 binary numbers, that is decimal predefined or equivalent. Equalize the numbers of bits in both the binary numbers. Equalize the number of bits in both the binary numbers by adding zeros on left side. If first number is 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digits are present, and in the second number that is 1 0 1 1 0 0 0, only 5 numbers are present. So both numbers are not equivalent. Then what is our second rule? Equalize the number of bits in both the binary numbers by adding zeros on left side. How we can equalize these 2 binary numbers? By adding a 0 on left side. Means now these 2 binary numbers are equal in bits. Understand? How we can equalize this number? By adding a zeros on left side. Okay. Now you count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 bit. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 bit. Both the binary numbers are equal. How we can equalize? 0 on left side. Okay. This is the second step. Now what is the next step? Obtain ones complement of subtrahend. Obtain ones complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend means what? Subtrahend means number which is to be subtracted. That number you have to subtract it. That number is called as a subtrahend. Understand? Okay. Now what is our step 4? Rule 4. See, add the complement value to the minute. Minute means what? Number from which the subtraction is to be performed. The first number. Minute means what? The first number. The means that number which is the subtraction is to be performed. From which the subtraction is to be performed. That first number is called as a, this first number is called as a minute, and the second number is called as a subtrahend. Understand? Now step 5. Check the carry value if carry value is there. While performing the subtraction of both the binary numbers, check if there is a carry value is coming. Then what? If the carry value is there, then add 1 to the sum, we get result. If 0 1 1 1, one carry value is coming here, then what we do? we have to add 1, then add 1 to the sum we get. Whatever the sum we will get, in that result we have to add 1 again, and the result you get correctly. Means the subtraction of 1's complement is done perfectly. So this is the step 5. If the carry value is coming, so what we do? You have to add 1 to the result, 1 to the sum, then you will get the result. What is step 6? If there is a no carry value, obtain 1's complement of the sum, we get the result. If no carry value is coming in the result, in the sum, what you have to do? You have to take the 1's complement of that sum, then automatically you can get the result. So these are the 6 steps, and these are the 6 rules you have to follow during the subtraction, binary subtraction of 1's complement. Understand? Now let us we can solve one of the example. See how we can solve the example by binary 1's complement, by using a 1's complement. See, let us 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary number. Subtract 1 0 0 0 2. We have to do the subtraction of these two binary numbers by using 1's complement method. By using a 1's complement method. So we start now. First, take both the numbers. Let the equation first. What? 1 1 0 0 1. It is the equation first. And 1 0. How many numbers are there? 1 0 0 1. 1 1 0 0 and 0. Equation 2. Assume equation 1 and equation 2. First you have to assign the equation 1 and equation 2. What is the next step? Second step. This is the first step. Step first. Now what is our step second? Step second is nothing but we have to equalize both the binary numbers. Their bits here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bits are present in equation 1 and 1 2 3 4. Only 4 bits are present in the equation second. First we have to equalize the bit. What we do? We add zeros to the left of equation second. 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. We call it is as a equation 3. What we call? We call this equation as a equation 3. Understand? Now what is our next step? Now add the equation 3 to equation 1. Add equation 3 to equation 1. What is our equation 1? 1 1 0 0 1. And what is our equation 3? It is equation 1. What is our equation 3? 0 1 0 0 1, it is equation 3. Okay. Now add this equation. What you will get? You will get 1 plus 1, we know that 0 1 carry, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry. 1 carry is coming here. So what we have to do? 1 carry is there. So ignore this carry. What we do? Ignore. This is the carry. This carry we can write here and ignore this carry. Ignore this carry. Okay, and you directly get the result, that is this result 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, ignore this carry, and what we have to do? If carry is present, what you have to do? What is our rule 5? If carry is present, add 1 to the sum and you will get the result. What we have to do then? We add 1 to this sum. Step 5th. It is step 4. What is step 5th? 0 0 0 1 0. What you have to do? This is the equation 4. We assume equation 4. Add 1 to this equation. 0 plus 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay. What you will get? Sorry, what we have to do? See,